Good morning, students. In aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, we are going to study the nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Already we have studied the rules for the nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acids, the common names as well as the IUPAC names, how to obtain, that we have discussed earlier. Today we are going to study some examples of aldehydes and carboxylic acids and their common and IUPAC names. HCOOH, its corresponding aldehyde is HCHO. The common name of this carboxylic acid is formic acid. Formic acid. Remember, the common names of the carboxylic acids are obtained from the names of their source. Here, the name of this acid is formic acid because it was derived from formica. It was derived from formica. Its source is formica. Formica means red ants. As it was derived from the ants, the name of the acid is formic acid. So common names of the carboxylic acids are derived from the names of their sources. The source of this acid is formica, means the red ants. That's why this acid was named as formic acid. The common name of the aldehyde is derived from the common name of the carboxylic acid by replacing IC acid by aldehyde. So the name of this aldehyde, common name is formaldehyde. Then what will be their IUPAC names? Here single carbon atom is there and hence the parent alkane is methane. For carboxylic acid, from the name of the parent alkane, the ending E is replaced by OIC acid and therefore its IUPAC name become methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. For the aldehyde, from the name of the parent alkane, the ending E is replaced by Al. Therefore, the IUPAC name of this aldehyde will become methanal. methanal, methanal, because its parent alkane is methane. Single carbon atom is there and therefore the parent alkane is methane. From the name of methane, the ending E is replaced by Al. Another example, CH3COOH. This acid is named as acetic acid. Acetic acid because it was derived from acetum. Acetum means vinegar. Its source was acetum. Initially it was obtained from acetum. Acetum means vinegar and therefore the common name of this acid is acetic acid. Common name or trivial names, acetic acid. The corresponding aldehyde is CH3CHO. The common name of the aldehyde will be obtained by replacing IC acid by aldehyde and therefore its common name become acetaldehyde. From acetic acid, acetaldehyde. IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Now, the IUPAC names, here two carbon atoms are there and therefore the parent alkane will be ethane. From the name of ethane, ending E is replaced by OIC acid and therefore its IUPAC name become ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, this is the IUPAC name, ethane. From ethane, E is replaced by OIC acid. Similarly here, the parent alkane is ethane. From ethane, when E is replaced by Al, we get here ethanol. So ethanol is the IUPAC name of this aldehyde. Next example, CH3CH2COOH. The name of this acid, common name is propionic acid. The common name was decided from the name of its source, profat or phosphate. It was derived originally from the profat or phosphate. Therefore, its name is propionic acid. Its name is propionic acid because it was initially obtained from profat or phosphate. Now, the corresponding aldehyde is CH3CH2CHO. The common name or trivial name of this aldehyde will be obtained from propionic acid by replacing isocyanate by aldehyde. Therefore, its name will become propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Now the IUPAC name. The longest chain contains 3 carbon atoms. Therefore, its parent alkene is propane. From propane, when E is replaced by OIC acid, then its IUPAC name become propanoic acid. From propane, E is replaced by OIC acid. Similarly, here the parent alkene is propane. From the name of the propane, E is replaced by Al. Therefore, its IUPAC name become propanol. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. This is the acid containing 4 carbon atoms. The trivial name is butyric acid. As it is a straight chain acid, the prefix is N butyric acid. So its common name is butyric acid because it was derived from butyrum. Butyrum was the source. Butyrum means butter. It was originally obtained from butter or butyrum. Therefore, its common name is butyric acid. N-butyric acid. The corresponding aldehyde is CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. From N-butyric acid, replace isocyanate by aldehyde. You will get the common name of this aldehyde. N-butyraldehyde. Isocyanate is replaced by aldehyde. Common name of aldehyde is obtained. Now the IUPAC name. Longest chain contains 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, the parent alkene is butane. From butane, replace ending E by OIC acid. So therefore, the IUPAC name become butanoic acid. Similarly, here the parent alkene contains 4 carbon atoms. From the name of the parent alkene, that is the butane, replace the ending E by Al. The IUPAC name become butanol. The next example. Corresponding aldehyde is CH3, CH, CH3, CHO. The common name of this carboxylic acid is isobutyric acid. Isobutyric acid. Again, the source is butyrum or butter or any butyric acid. That is the acid containing 4 carbon atoms. The source is butyrum or butter. Therefore, its name is isobutyric acid. The common name of the aldehyde will be obtained by replacing isocyanate by aldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. This is the common name. Now the IUPAC name. The longest chain contains 3 carbon atoms. The carbon of carboxylic group is named as number 1. In the aldehyde also, the carbon of aldehyde group is numbered 1. Now to the second carbon, there is a presence of a branch 2-methyl. At the second position, there is a methyl branch. Therefore, 2-methyl. Parent alkene is propane. Therefore, propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. Here, 2-methyl. Name of parent alkene is propane. Replace E by Al. 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. Then acid with 5 carbon atoms. Straight chain of carbon atom is there, and therefore the prefix is N. N for normal. N valeric acid. This is the common name because the source of this acid is valerian. Valerian tree. Valerian tree is the source, and from the name of the source, the name of the acid is N valeric acid. The corresponding aldehyde is, the name of the corresponding aldehyde will be N-valeraldehyde. N-valeraldehyde. Now the IUPAC name. The acid contains 5 carbon atoms. Therefore, the parent alkene is pentane. 5 carbon atoms are in the longest chain. Therefore, the IUPAC name will be pentanoic acid. In the aldehyde also, therefore, there are 5 carbon atoms in the longest chain. Therefore, the parent alkene is pentane. The The IUPAC name of this aldehyde will be pentanal. Then the acid with 6 carbon atoms. This is the acid with 6 carbon atoms. The name of this acid, common name is caproic acid. Straight chain is there, therefore N caproic acid. Carbon chain is straight, therefore N caproic acid. Its source is capr. Capr means milk of goat. Milk of goat. It was originally obtained from the milk of goat, that is the capr, and therefore the common name is N caproic acid. The corresponding aldehyde is CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. Now, as the name of the acid, common name is N caproic acid. The common name of the aldehyde will be N caproldehyde. N caproldehyde, because IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Now, the IUPAC name. IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid. 6 carbon atoms are in the longest chain, therefore the parent alkene is hexane. Its IUPAC name will become hexanoic acid. The IUPAC name of the aldehyde will be hexanal. E is replaced by Al. Few more examples. This is the carboxylic acid. Its common name is acrylic acid. Acrylic acid is the common name. The corresponding aldehyde is CH2 double bond CH, CHO. The common name of this aldehyde is acrolein. Acrolein or acrylaldehyde. Now here what will be the IUPAC name? The longest chain contains 3 carbon atoms, therefore the parent alkene will be propane. The carbon of carboxylic group is first carbon. The double bond is situated at the second position, therefore prop 2. 2 is the position of double bond. In for double bond, in is written for carbon-carbon double bond, and from in the ending E is replaced by Al, because there is a previous carboxylic acid. E is replaced by OH acid. Prop 2 enoic acid. Prop 2 enoic acid. This is the IUPAC name of this acid. Now the IUPAC name of aldehyde. The parent alkene is propane. The double bond is situated at the second position. Therefore here prop 2 in for carbon-carbon double bond. 2 stands for the position of carbon-carbon double bond. Prop 2 in, but from this in we replace E by Al. Prop 2 enal. This is the IUPAC name of this aldehyde. Prop 2 enoic acid, prop 2 enal. Then dicarboxylic acid. This is the oxalic acid. Common name is oxalic acid. The IUPAC name of this acid will be ethane dioic acid. Its parent alkene will be ethane, because there are 2 carbon atoms. But here, as it is a dicarboxylic acid, from the name of the parent alkane, the ending E is retained there. Retained. E must be retained there. And instead of OH acid, dioic acid is written. So its IUPAC name become ethane dioic acid. Then another example of dicarboxylic acid. This is the acid with 3 carbon atoms. Its common name is malonic acid. Malonic acid. Its IUPAC name will become 3 carbon atoms are in the longest chain, therefore propane. Propane dioic acid. Then acid with 4 carbon atoms. Acid with 4 carbon atoms. Commonly it is known as succinic acid. Succinic acid is the common name, and its IUPAC name will be now 4 carbon atoms are here in the longest chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore its IUPAC name will become butane dioic acid. Butane dioic acid. Another example of dicarboxylic acid. An acid with 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms are here in the acid. Its common name is glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Now here the parent alkane will be pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms are in the longest chain. Therefore, its IUPAC name will be pentane dioic acid. Pentane dioic acid. Then acid with 6 carbon atoms. This acid with 6 carbon atoms is commonly known as adipic acid. Adipic acid. Its IUPAC name will be hexane dioic acid because here 6 carbon atoms are in the longest chain. Hexane dioic acid. 6 carbon atoms in the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And therefore the parent alkane is hexane. E is written here from the name of the parent alkane and the dioic acid is the suffix which is added there. Then this is a carboxylic acid. Its common name is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. And the IUPAC name is also benzoic acid. Means benzoic acid. This name is also accepted as the IUPAC name. Or another IUPAC name is benzene. Name of the parent hydrocarbon should be completely written. Benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. The corresponding aldehyde is CHO. The common name of this aldehyde will be obtained by replacing isocyanide by aldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is the common name. Benzaldehyde. The IUPAC name. This common name is also accepted as the IUPAC name. Benzaldehyde. But another IUPAC name is benzene, which is the name of the parent hydrocarbon. Benzene, complete name of the parent hydrocarbon. And the suffix is carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. For cyclic aldehydes, the suffix is carbaldehyde. This is a cyclic aldehyde because the aldehyde group is attached to the cyclic structure, aromatic ring. Benzene carbaldehyde. Then OH, COOH. The common name of this acid is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. The IUPAC name. Now here, out of these two functional groups, this is the principal group, that is the group of higher priority, and therefore this carbon bearing the carboxylic group should be numbered as 1. This is the second carbon. So here 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid or 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. This is the IUPAC name. Corresponding aldehyde is OHCHO. The common name of this aldehyde is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. What will be the IUPAC name now? Again, out of these two functional groups, this is the higher priority group. Therefore, this carbon should be numbered as 1. This is the second carbon. Aldehyde group is of higher priority than OH group, and therefore this carbon should be numbered as 1. So here 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde or 2-hydroxybenzene carbaldehyde. Then next example, the common name of this carboxylic acid is phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is the common name, but the IUPAC name is benzene dicarboxylic acid, and therefore E must be retained. Benzene. Position of the carboxylic group is 1 and 2. 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. This is the IUPAC name. Corresponding aldehyde. Corresponding aldehyde is phthalaldehyde. Common name phthalaldehyde. Now what will be the IUPAC name? IUPAC name benzene 1,2 dial. Benzene 1,2 dial. Two aldehyde groups are there at position number 1 and 2. Therefore, benzene 1,2 dial. This is the carboxylic acid. Common name is cyclohexyl. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Its IUPAC name will become cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is the name of the parent hydrocarbon. Cyclohexane, complete name, carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. The corresponding aldehyde is CHO. Cyclohexane aldehyde. This is the common name or trivial name. Now the IUPAC name will be cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. One aldehyde is there, CHO. This is an aldehyde. Common name of this aldehyde is glyoxal. And the IUPAC name will be longest and contain 2 carbon atoms, therefore ethane diol. E should be written because it is aldehyde with 2 aldehyde groups. Ethane diol, it is the IUPAC name. Common name is glyoxal. So these are few examples of aldehydes and carboxylic acids and their common and IUPAC name. Thank you.